friends, welcome to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are enjoying your spring break with your friends and family. Tomorrow is Good Friday and today is Thursday. So for today's dinner I am planning to make some chicken pasta. So for today's recipe I'll just need very basic ingredients, and this is very quick, easy and super delicious, super easy pasta. So for my chicken pasta I'll show you some ingredients. Chicken pasta, I will need firstly pasta, and I am using this PASTAA. I got it from Netto. This is a whole wheat pasta which is more healthier. Okay, and then some basic vegetables. I already have cut these bell peppers and broccoli. So there is yellow bell pepper, then some broccoli and red bell pepper. Okay, and here I already crushed some garlic, some tomatoes, some onions, some green chilies and some lemon. And I'll need some chicken also, so there is some chicken, and I'm using this cheddar cheese for my pasta, though I'll add very less cheese because we don't like that much cheese on our pasta, and this is a very healthy recipe, so I'll add very less cheese. Okay, and I'm using this oil. This is a super healthy sunflower oil and chili mayonnaise and then tomato ketchup. So very basic ingredients that we all need for today's pasta. So okay, let's get started. Now my pasta is boiling, as you can see, and it's almost done. It will take, just be careful because it's hot, but yeah, I can assume it will take just 2 or 3 minutes more to finish. Actually done. So one thing I didn't tell you before, that I already add 2 tablespoons of oil to my pasta and 1 tablespoon of salt. It is very important to put some oil to your pasta, so your pasta will not get very sticky in this way. So this is a good trick my mom actually told me about. Be very careful, this water is very hot. Okay, and all water go down, and then you need to pour some cold water to your pasta, so the cooking process is stopped in this way now. Once your pot is hot, then I need to put some oil. Basically I have put 2 tablespoons of oil. So this is a non-stick pan, so you will not need that much oil. And moreover, I'm making it in a healthier way, so yes. Let's wait for 1 minute. And I need to add garlic cloves. We need to saute a little bit. And one thing I would like to tell you that for a more healthier version of pasta, you can definitely use olive oil. Here I'm using sunflower oil, but yeah, definitely you can use olive oil if you want to make your pasta more healthier. Well, brown, then you need to add chopped onion. Actually, this is an Indian style healthy pasta. One day I will love to show you Italian style pasta, but today it's all about Indian style healthy pasta. You need to add some salt. Not too much salt because your ketchup and mayonnaise both have salt, and in your pasta also there is some salt. So onion is done. You need to add chopped tomatoes, and I want my pasta a little spicy today, so I am adding this green chili. So okay, now you need to be very patient because it will take 5 to 7 minutes to cook onions, garlic and then tomatoes. Tomatoes look perfect, and then I'll add bell peppers, broccoli, so basically all vegetables, I'm adding in this point. Wow, this looks so colorful and so yummy. And really, I put very less oil and also very less spices. Basically, there is no spice in this recipe. So and once my vegetable is little done, and then I'll add my chicken. Vegetables looks okay, and now I'll add little more oil, not much, just a little, and then I will add my chicken. I always have seen this way chicken looks more perfect and your vegetables also don't get mushy. You need to fry it well. Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Looks perfect, and now I need to add a little bit more tomato sauce. And then at this point I will add chili mayonnaise. And then I will add my pasta. If you need more tomato ketchup and more chili garlic mayonnaise or any other sauce, you can definitely put here at this point. Some people prefer to add pesto sauce, some usually put tomato salsa. So anything, any sauce you can add at this point. Pasta is almost ready, and basically this is very easy. So you just need to mix all these things and yeah, you are good to go. And this is last step. I need to add my shredded cheese to my pasta. I put very less cheese, and if you like you can use any kind of cheese like mozzarella cheese or anything you want. But I have put this low calorie shredded cheese, and yeah, so this is my final step. Today I don't have any coriander leaf in my kitchen. If you have, you definitely can put coriander leaf to give it a Indian tadka, Indian mix. So okay, my pasta looks yummy. My pasta is ready. My pasta is ready. It looks yummy. It looks super delicious and very inviting. So now I will turn off my oven and let it set for 1 or 2 minutes, and then it will be ready to be served hot. Time to take it out to a serving bowl, and then finally I would like to plate it well. I always like to decorate. Pasta is super yummy, super tasty. I am enjoying my pasta, and I hope you all like my recipe. So if you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel. I am planning to make more and more travel vlogs, food videos for you guys. So thank you so much for watching my videos. See you guys next time in my next vlog. Bye.